Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple USB-C to USB-C 60-watt charge cable. This one's 1 meter long. Here's what the packaging looks like. Here's the back. All right, let's pull this tab to get it out of there. It's a nice braided version, very high quality. I have a couple of these at home. Some instructions. Unfortunately, no stickers, warranty. All right, let's pull this out. Get the paper out of there. Wow, very, very nice. USB-C on both ends. 1 meter, yep, looks right, feels right. Feels authentic. And braided, so really high quality. Cables I always get to charge my iPhones. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. And please let me know what you think of these cables in the comment section below. All right, hope you're all doing well. See you all next time. Later.